I'm HVAC Repair Guy. Before I spent 17 years in the HVAC industry, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I've worked on everything from residential air conditioners to large mechanical systems. Today we're comparing two window air conditioners homeowners ask about all the time: the Arctic King WWK12CW01N and the LG LW1222IVSM. Both of these window air conditioners install into a standard double-hung window. Neither unit is a U-shaped design. Neither one is built for a wall sleeve or a casement window. The homeowner mounts the chassis in the window frame, secures the side panels, and plugs the unit into a standard outlet. Now let's get to the part that affects comfort and power bills. The Arctic King WWK12CW01N uses a traditional single-speed compressor. The LG LW1222IVSM uses an inverter compressor. That's a huge difference. When the bedroom temperature rises, the Arctic King compressor starts at full speed. When the thermostat reaches the set point, the compressor shuts off completely. A few minutes later, it starts again. The LG inverter compressor works differently. The compressor ramps up when cooling demand increases and ramps down when the room approaches the target temperature. Instead of repeatedly shutting off and restarting, it keeps a more consistent room temperature while using less electricity. The Arctic King WWK12CW01N carries an EER rating of 11.2. The LG LW1222IVSM comes in at 15.0. If you're watching monthly power bills, that's a significant advantage for the LG window air conditioner. Sound matters in a bedroom. The Arctic King WWK12CW01N is rated at 59 decibels. The LG LW1222IVSM is rated at 44 decibels. At night, when the lights are off and the bedroom is quiet, that difference is noticeable. For controls, the Arctic King includes Wi-Fi capability, voice control, and a remote control. The homeowner can adjust settings from a smartphone app or from across the room with the remote. The LG LW1222IVSM also includes Wi-Fi, voice control, a smartphone control app, and a remote control. Maintenance is straightforward. Pull the washable air filter from the front grille. Rinse the filter with water. Let it dry completely. Slide the filter back into place. A dirty air filter reduces airflow and increases operating costs. Both units are manufactured in China. The Arctic King includes a 1-year parts warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty. The LG includes a 1-year parts warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty as well. Current pricing typically puts the Arctic King well below the LG. The Arctic King wins on initial purchase price. The LG wins on efficiency, sound levels, and compressor technology. My recommendation is the LG LW1222IVSM. The quieter operation, inverter compressor, higher efficiency rating, and lower long-term operating costs make it the better window air conditioner for most homeowners. If you're looking for the better overall bedroom window air conditioner, the LG LW1222IVSM is the clear winner.